Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish devil. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including your chosen fish, a variety of vibrant spices, and crisp vegetables. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized before you begin the preparation steps. This will make the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable for you, leading to a delicious meal. Now let's prepare our main components. Choose about 1.5 pounds of firm, fresh fish, then carefully cut it into uniform 1-inch pieces. Next, finely chop your onions, garlic, and ginger to form an aromatic base. Don't forget to slice your bell peppers and chilies. These add both color and a delightful kick to the dish. The heart of our fish devil is its rich, spicy sauce. Begin by sautéing the chopped onions, garlic, and ginger until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, stir in your chili powder, turmeric, and curry powder, letting the spices bloom. Add tomato paste and about a half cup of water, then simmer the sauce for 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. For the grand finale, gently add your prepared fish pieces to the simmering sauce, ensuring each piece is coated. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the fish is perfectly flaky and cooked through. Finish with a bright squeeze of fresh lime juice to elevate the flavors. Serve your delicious fish devil hot, perhaps with some fluffy rice or warm bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.